Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on Prosper software, and today's topic is about send control method with wire wrap screen. All right, so now as usual, we start with this tab. All right, and for the fluid description, you can follow me. Oil and water, method black oil, separator single stage separator, no emulsion, disable PVT warning, water viscosity, we will use default correlation, viscosity model Newtonian fluid, flow type tubing flow, well type producer, method none, and you can also type in the user information here and also the user comments, calculation type, predict pressure and temperature in offshore condition. All right, so now we will have offshore case, model, rough approximation, range full system, brine properties correlation, we will use default system. And now the well completion, this is the main thing, type cased hole. And for the send control, you open the drop down menu and we select wire wrapped screen. All right, wire wrapped screen. This is the topic of our video. All right, so for the reservoir, inflow type single branch, gas conning, no. Okay, so from here we click done and we will wait for the system to be ready. Okay, now the system is ready. We need to input Pvt data. The next step. All right, you can follow me. Solution GOR 800 standard cubic feet per stock tank barrel with oil gravity of 38, 38 and gas gravity of 0.8, water salinity 25,000 ppm, no H2S, no CO2, no nitrogen. For the bubble point pressure, solution GOR, and oil formation volume factor. For example, we will select, open the drop-down menu, standing correlation, and oil viscosity, Bill et al. Correlation. All right. If you have laboratory data, you can perform PVT matching, but I will skip the subject in this video. If you're interested, you can watch my other video regarding the PVT matching. All right, so let's keep it for now. All right, so for other data, leave it as default, viscosity, Newtonian fluid again, no emulsion. Okay, so from here we click done. All right, so from the PVT data section, we will go to the IPR data section. And here in this data section, IPR data subject, IPR data section, the wire wrap skin will be important. All right, so open. And now for this case, we will have Dhc. All right, we'll have Dhc. And in this video, I will show you to create, and in this video, I will show you how to create IPR data model using Dhc equation. All right, with relative permeability. So it will be more important, more interesting, and also to show the well test data. All right, to show the well test data, to plot the IPR with the well test data also, and the send control. All right, so it will be very, very interesting and comprehensive. All right, so Dhc, and for the reservoir pressure, you can follow me. All right, 55,200 with reservoir temperature of 210. Water cut still zero. Total GOR of 800 standard cubic feet per stock tank barrel. All right. And let's start with no relative permeability data first, the reservoir model data. Reservoir permeability, for example, 50 millidarcies, reservoir thickness of 100 feet, drainage area of 500 acres, Dhc factor, assuming a circular reservoir, it will be 331.6 with wellbore radius of 0.354, right? If it is not a circular reservoir, you can also calculate the Dhc factor by opening this tab. You need to provide the length, the width, distance to site D1, and also distance to end D2. All right, but let's leave it for now. Cancel. Okay, so from here, we will need to provide the mechanical geometrical skin calculation. All right, so enable Wong Clifford model, no, for this case. And for the skin, mechanical skin, we need to provide with value of 1, for example. All right, okay. And then let's try send control. So here, the wire wrap skin is very, very, very important. All right.